how to sign in to Hulu. So if you want to sign in for Hulu, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can simply go for the search bar and search for Hulu. And here you can go for login or Hulu login, so that it will directly take you to the Hulu login page. So to log in, what you have to do is first you have to enter your email address, and then you have to enter your password. So if you have forgotten your email address, or if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply click on this option, which is forgot your email or password. So that you have to enter your email address, and it will send you a link to reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your email and password, and then you can click on login and you will be logged into your account. And that's it. That's how you log into your account on Hulu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.